It's here for. Hey! What now? Asanso Pijanimu. And now I know say right now. Yes, a video. A Monday, 4th of May, 2020, about 9:30. Then I know say Demon Breaker. Osanso ewo na tuwa chese wo kan sem afa nso for ho. Na me the sad stories no be bro later nsem a waka no me hye da abone bede o se ne ye omo ye no na ma ye no kakran na me de abremo na we a ye koso no igwe hu ne se da bi nsem a e koso no ne din empie ye nti wo no mesre mo enya sa na ti o but igwe ababontia be kasa na wo hwe ne kasa mu a otumi say yes wo to bomba nkasa igwe say he wo hwe pa nanka wobi a wo ye footballer oye bone a nanka e wo say footballer e na kasa e fa ho because onu na woni mu obi a woto njom na nkoyi a njumtoni e na woni me njum ni mu onu na e wo say wo kasa fa ho obi a wo ye adwuma bia no wobi a wono nso ye say adwuma no onu na woni mu nti wo ye ade na nkoyi a eno anasa nipa na wo say wo kasa fa ho man so ende asofo eye bone a nkwofu bebre etwe omu ano esi sa asofo ne so nano onu igwe no enye se wo support wo mu a wo mu expose asofo no te se Kennedy Japan no o blame Kennedy Japan no be blame asofo na nkasa because seven prediasan asofo ne shimi too much etiefo asem eyo no nkasa ne num nsem ofise mebo a mebo audio no na wetie o se asofo shimi too much enye easy adan a o se ube hu se na osofo usori a wo se wo to shatawale nyom wa asori etiefo nti eno sa asem na wakan mo amunim se Reverend Obofo no de no because any say Reverend Obofo e na wo no oto shatawale nyom wo na asori o se wo fra wo sofo na wo to shatawale nyom wa asori wo fra wo sofo ye ma pulpita na wo de kan senia ye re oba trese ensem hunu etiefo igwe watubo utumi say igwe no still only Reverend Obofo ntokwa no still ewonimu osinsem hunu kwa eno hunti yende obi ba bonti na wo expose asofo na yes e wo say ye pene e ma ni bako na expose asofo no sorry ansem hunu no mudi no wo yese na trese edin sofo no wo gu hu fin inti yenye obi nyankopon yi obi se ni bako na igwe di asemeba o igwe di asemeba ena me metina se na me ka se igwe yambo wudin nti ene de wo support yambo wudin wo support embra Kennedy Japan sha ase na wo expose wo bi nim ankrofo kasa no won fa so fu bi mu wo mo ba o mo se ken ene eja yesrew ja obi nim yese ende Demon Breaker ebekan yetwi omo no wo anu asesa they are also firing sans so for no so wo fire afedie wo sans so for na no mo tufu se obi nim enjai maninka we enjai maninka no wo mu de wo mu enjai maninka yo wo mu mom kasa na meka se enka wa anento wada ende igwe dia wo keni me de menka ba igwe dia wo keni se Demon Breaker bebo ana bebo wo igwe su din a na obo say yes obo hu say yes aso wo nan na wo de wonsa asane eso wo nsa na eso wo nan na ose eni ho a na ebe hu bebi a wo de besane yenko tie nsem a igwe wo de etu dwa no
ade bi ekoso since a lot of people are attacking men of God, a lot of people are attacking Christianity, a lot of people are attacking Christosum and Yasofo. And people are speaking against so many things that echoes on social media. Say. Now, me, I am making it clear, say, I am not in support of those who are attacking men of God. and who are attacking Christianity. But the point is, now who calls them? Now who calls them? And Penny say, and Sanam Branca Sube Sintas and never does as a catcher. Bibian Papa near the reason why and even in Kofua or more into politics or more among Christians are attacking men of God and attacking Christianity. And the reason Tia Sadia ne Kosono, a Yan Yamanabasa. It's our fault. Now who calls them? We cause it. And we are saying, a Diawe and man who cry and the road dome. And then me matter the bidi ban ebe cut across many ways. Eti temi eba. Ewo edua e man ho kwan na ewo dom. Anka sofo ya de anya. De enkobeti be ka sofo asem ye sofo. Anka obi oye politician ya de anya politician na eka. Obi oye banker ya de banker na eka. Obi oye teacher ya de teacher na eka. Why? Because field ya wo mu no. And Kofukone new field in the Munsem. Field there will be Nimno or Nim Munsem. But and Akoba said, even those who are not in ministry are now differentiating between those who are original men of God and those who are fake. I heard that number say, who calls some? We call some. I saw for the Yamanaba say, I know I am not blaming anybody. I am not blaming anyone. I am not blaming any individuals or any station or any MP. I am blaming we pastors. Why? Because when a pastor turned the pulpit into a comedian ground, it gives a politician the right to speak against him. So also for and then the pulpit, comedy, also for and then the pulpit. To Satawale and no more puppet. Was so from a general puppet. Sir, what do we know here now? No, I ain't say train. Yes, this is what happened. Nasa so for Becca. Now, sorry, my someone yes, it's a so for Yadi and no go so for Becca. Then God will raise a politician to come and correct pastors when we are fooling. And that is what is happening. Me say I don't blame anybody. I am not blaming anybody. Yan Yababa say, I can suffer ye noble work and can win them room. But when I so for started the puppet, didn't quasiasem. When I so for started this puppet, I didn't muasem no. And maybe as if one quayan, woman years soon your money so for some cassette so for. Sana bebano, Sana ba. Ye Milimobiao, now we call some, we call some. We call some. So purpose for the puppet. Every job a church and Maya sin someone. And Maya sin someone. The Ababanie. And maybe we are sick one more tired about why. The puppet is for propagation of the gospel. The puppet is for the preaching of the word of God, not to educate a man. Said your more Maya say. And now and the other two Satawale. What do you say? When we turn the church into a comedian grounds, it gives the unbelievers chance to teach us wisdom. Say the puppet didn't see someone, and one more money quite someone can answer someone China. I mean, yes, you Ghana or Bian Bremobia, you Miriam. What do you say? When you are so for Yadia, Yeda or Yena and Yanabaka. Women young woman, William Quasia, force of Wobby to someone, and they will speak against you for correcting the pastor. So, Mammy and young correctodia, and the politician don't correct you. They say, now we go some. Here, blame wine. Here, blame wine. Problem of football is blast and ego, and who is talking about it? And some major blaster ego. Me a big deal so for them. Politicians, Ghana na tetia prono. Ye be jawa be di so for them. Why? Because ye ma ya ho kwan. Masa, me am not wouldn't say asem bia ba asem we ba me mfa mani tu me nka bi so da ye ne ama na basa. Se so for the puppy dim kwasi asem wa. Ah, na afei ye born nyom wiase nyom na osofo da fom apagya ne nan da soro ha na ochi one corner e wo puppet so na wo da dem or da puppet so one corner oba chepwe e wo aso dem a what do you expect ade na mo say wiase for ka kere mo afei da mo su gara osofo mo be su a kere say me say osofo ti make the puppet bo one corner e wo aso dem ah na osofo da form our puppet so platform baby you from holies of holies in the olden days and can ya me free suru ba be kasa ni pa puppet so no be see na we deliver the message and the mother crowd some place you know and then you dey bo one corner that for man go for so for pega ne nine na crash she corner e wa saw them were you expecting say we as for be here if you don't know what we are doing, the world will teach us lessons. We are fooling, and that is exactly why I'm not and crime to insult pastors and go not suffer to differentiate between a genuine and a fake man of God.